For this example, we are going to just add different fractions together. So basically, this one is much easier than the one we just did previously, because x to the 5th is already completed, plus let's bring the negative exponent down, 1 over x squared, because another rule that says x to the negative a would equal 1 over x to the a, and 1 over x to the negative a would equal x to the a. So using that, that's how we got x to the negative 2 to be over 1 over x squared minus 1 over x. Now we learned in the previous video, x squared cubed is the same as x to the 2 times 3, or x to the 6th, and we know x to the 8th squared is the same as x, well, right, actually, x to the 2 times 3, and that's minus x to the 8 times 2, which equals x to the 5th plus 1 over x squared minus 1 over x plus x to the 6th minus x to the 16th. And now we look at that. There are a whole lot of x's, right? But there are no similar powers of x's. So in order to combine these all, you would need to have all the same power of x, which we don't. So therefore this would be the final answer. But we would usually write things in descending order. So it would be negative x to the 16th plus x to the 6th plus x to the 5th plus 1 over x plus 1 over x squared as our final answer.